Ang current hyperfixation natin ngayon ay fountain pens. I want to show you my fountain pen collection. So it really started with this one. It's my first ever fountain pen. This was gifted by our friends at Parker. So ito talaga yung unang-unang fountain pen that sparked my interest in the fountain pen world. So dito tayo nag-start. It has a fine nib. So I also had the Lamy Safari face. This is my personal favorite. This is the Lamy Safari in transparent. Tapos green yung niya, ink. And then I also have this one with an orange ink. And ito naman with the blue ink. Sobrang beginner pa lang ako sa pen world. So if you guys have recos, let me know in the comments. And then I now have a Pilot Kakuno face. Kapag daw nag-uumpisa ka sa fountain pens, ito yung perfect na starter pens for that. I have it in extra fine. This was gifted to me. Then itong dalawa yung recent purchase ko. I have it in fine and medium nibs. Kita ko sa inyo in a bit kung paano siya sumulat. I personally find myself picking this up more pag nagsusulat ako. Kasi ito masyadong ginagamit kaya hindi siya nag-run maayos. And this one is a fine nib. Another Lamy Safari. Cute nung pen mismo nito. Fine nib. Lahat ng mga ink nito, brand inks nila mismo. Next is this one, the gifted Pilot Kakuno. Ayan lang. I hope you enjoyed.